Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download color management settings for Rec.709 in Resolve, full guide step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Navigate to the project settings by clicking the gear icon in the bottom right corner. In the project settings window, find the color management section. Look for the Color Science drop-down menu. Select DaVinci YRGB Color Managed if it's not already chosen. Next, adjust the Timeline Color Space option to Rec.709. Scroll down to find the Input Color Space settings. Click on the drop-down menu for Input Color Space. Choose Rec.709 for your input settings. To further refine the process, go to the Lookup Tables section. Click on the Open LUT Folder button. This action will open the folder where you can manage your LUTs. Download or copy the Rec.709 LUT files from a trusted source. Place these files into the opened LUT folder. Close the folder once you've added the LUT files. Return to DaVinci Resolve and click the Update Lists button in the LUT settings. This action refreshes the LUTs available for use in your project. Now you'll see the Rec.709 LUTs appear in the LUTs panel. You can apply these LUTs to your clips as needed for proper color grading. Make sure to adjust the intensity of the LUTs based on your footage. Finish by saving your project settings to ensure your color management choices are preserved. Proceed to start color grading your project under the new settings. With these steps, your color management for Rec.709 in Resolve is properly set up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.